how to edit your page transition on your Wix.com website. So once you're on your Wix.com dashboard over here, go to Setup and then scroll down and let's press on Designing My Website. I'll edit my site. Wait for it to load. Okay, great. It's loaded. So the way you edit or add a new page transition is going on this left-hand side bar here. There's a few elements like add elements, add section, pages, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS, marketing and SEO. And you can also use AI tools. But the one you want to pay attention to will be this one, site design. On site design, there'll be color theme, text theme, page background, and the thing you were looking for called page transition. So let's press on page transition and there'll be a couple that you can use. You can add none if you'd like. You can also add horizontal, vertical, crossfade, out in. Now, once you select one of these, you can either preview it or you can just straight up publish it if you want. The horizontal, it'll like slide in from the right. Vertical, it'll slide in from up. Crossfade, it'll kind of like fade out between pages, and the out and in, well, you can probably guess from what it's called. Once you're happy with any of these selection, just select it and then just cross out. And if you go to site design, they'll be saved just like that. So that is how you edit the page transition on your Wix.com website. It's as easy as that.